Welcome to Thena's channel. Discover a world of inspiration with over 50 breathtaking modern home garden landscaping ideas in this slideshow, perfect for transforming both your backyard and front yard. Each image showcases carefully curated designs that blend contemporary aesthetics with the natural beauty of outdoor spaces. Whether you have a small garden or a sprawling yard, these landscaping ideas are versatile, practical, and stunning. In the backyard, explore sleek patios, modern outdoor furniture, and innovative plant arrangements that create a serene oasis for relaxation and entertainment. Low-maintenance greenery, mixed with bold hardscaping elements like concrete, stone, or wood, offers a perfect balance between function and style. You'll also find ideas for adding water features, fire pits, and cozy seating areas to elevate your outdoor experience. For the front yard, these landscaping concepts emphasize curb appeal. Clean lines, minimalist designs, and the strategic use of pathways and lighting create an inviting entrance. From ornamental grasses to sculpted shrubs, each plant is chosen to complement the modern aesthetic, enhancing your home's facade. With these creative garden designs, your outdoor space will become a stylish and functional extension of your modern home, perfect for both everyday enjoyment and special gatherings.